First and foremost, I would just like to say not a nice person. Like,
take your time. It's okay. No, it's okay. It's okay. 100.
I could literally like mention like 1-2 occasions where I noticed like, and I just feel like he just want to look and sound smart so bad. And like, hang it up, please. Like,
flat screen.
Please.
I hear you.
Like, I see right through your bullshit. And so said that we know him in person. Like, I'm not saying that I know him like off.
Yeah,
like,
real life.
Like real life, I've chilled with him and stuff like that. But those few conversations that I've had with him like, this and that. I'm like,
and you've been there a couple of times, so I think you'd have a very good opinion.
Like one thing about me, I'm an observer, and I will keep quiet, and I will let you think that you're playing me. But okay,
deep down
I
how
literally
to
know.
assess a situation.
Like,
now, I know that's how you played Baddie's house as well, so I know
so
for sure.
People think they have like finessed me, or they've like, I don't know, played me or whatsoever, or people think they've seen me crash out for real, but actually no one has ever really seen my real crash out.
They can get there. It can get there. I believe.
Like, I always like try to control myself.
I hear you.
And then people always think she's always crashing out. No, you ain't seen no out. Like,
Yo, Lolita. Hi, bandla. Utsilo, I hope and pray Mto doesn't entertain this. I don't think he will. One thing I've noticed about Brother Mto, he doesn't beg. He doesn't beg Elizabeth. That is why she hates him, because he won the debate. One thing I've noticed about Brother Mto, he doesn't beg. Elizabeth hates him because he won the debate. Yeah, ne? I don't remember seeing Mto and Lolita on the same episode. I'm trying to think. I don't remember also, but ngasholana ukuthi akamthanda uMtho if kuthi akaze bebe kwi episode day 1. Ongenze ukuthi wayekhona, but he was just sitting there. Yeah, I don't know. Utilona, so this small podcast revolves around big open chat podcast. Iman guys, nivele enye abangakhuluma ngayo, cause sibazi kephi, sibazi ngokuthi beze kwi open chat. Before open chat besingamazi nje nokuthi uya exista uLolita wakhona. Naye mina baba uthu nje bengazi nokuthi ba exista until beze kwi open chat. So ayikho enye into bengakhuluma ngayo ngaphandle kwayo. Yabo. Uthi lo onyela Mtho wena. O makeup wama 1K. Nkosi yami. Mina ngazi noma iCamera washutha ngayo noma vele le makeup ikanje. Hey, guys, uzovela ku YouTube into forever. As in, it's fine. Uthi lona open chat over everything in capital letters kesana. He always killed them during debate. Yeah, there is Mtho. Mtho always kill them with during debate. That is why they don't like him. Ke uthi lapho mubi uthusa nefoni yami. Usho bani ke babes? Usho Elizabeth noma usho uLolita? This podcast is all about open chat kanti. Kusobala mfethu, kusobala ukuthi nje podcast nje yabo, it's all about open chat. That's clear. Manje le podcast kuqhudelwana nge-makeup edakiwe. Oh my guys, I'm a makeup artist. Umuntu mefuna ukuthi makeup, please holler at me. What? Ngempela le makeup nami ayicha. Meantime, they only got relevant through open chat. Labo gogo. Yeah. that is so true, because honestly, we didn't know them. Mhlampe abanye abantu bebebazi. Mina, let me talk for myself. I didn't know. Abengabazi. I didn't know them. Uthi lo Hair and Bruce can make a beautiful baby that looks exactly like Morgan. Guys, who's Morgan? I don't know who's Morgan, but I'm sure lo Morgan, I'm sure akabuke kahle, because what do you mean? Mara, why you fuck Bruce? Guys, come on. Imagine Elizabeth having a black skin color. Nisile nina. Nisile. Why ucabanga leyo nto? No, guys, I'm not gonna imagine anything. What's Lona? These baddies be seeking attention using our brother tool, but it will never bring them down. Open chat over everything. Yebo ke sana. Kodwa guys, ishuthi kuyabasebenzela ukuthi bakhulume ngo-open chat ngoba buka nje manje sikhuluma ngabo and they are getting numbers on their pod. Yeah, guys. That's it from me okwamanje bafethu. Lolita, Elizabeth, next time you need makeup, call me. Bye, guys.